Today I'm going to show you how to monetize reels on Facebook. So let's get started. For this, what you have to do is you have to open your Facebook app, and once you have logged into your Facebook account, here you have to click on your profile. Now once you have clicked on your profile, near you have to click on the three dots. Now you have to click on the turn on professional mode option. Now here you have to click on the turn on. To click on the turn on option, here you have to do the basic settings. Now as you can see, it's showing the professional dashboard made by Facebook. You have to turn on your professional mode. Once you turn on your professional mode, you will be get paid of your content you post. You have to only hit the limited criteria they set for to get paid. Once you hit the criteria given by the Facebook, now your reels will be monetized. You can monetize them to get paid by Facebook. So that's how you can monetize Facebook reels.